If you want to change DPI settings on OPPO Reno 15, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to go to Settings. We're gonna choose Display and Brightness in here. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find the display size. And then we have the option between large, standard, and small display size. And this allows you to change the DPI like this. However, what you can also do is you can manually adjust the DPI. But to do so, we need to activate developer options first. So we're gonna go to About Device. Next over here, we're gonna go to Version. And you want to keep tapping on the version number until you see, well, until you have to enter the screen lock password, and then you will see at the bottom of the screen that you enabled the developer mode. So we're gonna go back to the settings again, and then we're gonna go to System and Update, and then here we have the developer options. Now in developer options, we need to scroll down, and we are looking for an option that is called Smallest Width. And the smaller the number the smaller the number we enter over here, the bigger the screen will be. Everything that we have on the screen will be much bigger. And I believe the limit for the smallest number is actually 320. If I try to enter a smaller number than that, it doesn't work. And of course, the higher the number, the smaller everything will be instead. So if I type 600, as you can see, everything is much smaller. Keep in mind that you should be careful with these numbers. If you enter like a really high number, you might have a hard time reverting these changes, and of course some of the features like the keyboard or tapping might actually not work properly. So you want to not enter too high a number over here. And that is pretty much it. Of course, you can go back to the display size settings in case you want to revert to one of these standard values. You might need to switch to one option and then revert to the other one back and forth. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.